Today I will explain the p-value in a super simple way. So what is p-value? P-value is simply just a number which tells us how surprising our data is if null hypothesis is true. What is null hypothesis? Null hypothesis usually means no effect or no difference. Think of an example. Suppose you have tossed a coin 10 times and if head appears in every single time, this feels suspicious and you may check whether the coin is fair or not using statistical test with p-value. Think of another example. Suppose you are a teacher and you have applied a new teaching technique. Here the null hypothesis is two teaching techniques are same. That means old technique is equal to new technique, which indicates no improvement of exam score with new teaching technique. Usually p-value is compared with the value 0.05. If p-value less than 0.05, then we may reject the null hypothesis, which indicates the test is statistically significant. If p-value greater than or equal 0.05, then we accept the null hypothesis, which indicates the test is not statistically significant.
Now I will show how to conduct paired sample t-test and independent sample t-test using SPSS. So open the SPSS, then open data, Excel data, this is my data set. There are 10 students. For this data, paired sample t-test is appropriate since two teaching methods, old method and new method, have been simultaneously applied for the same student. Data analyze, then compare mean, paired sample t-test, put new method to variable 1 and old method to variable 2, then press OK. Look at the p-value. Here p-value is 0.000, which is less than 0.05, which indicates we may reject the null hypothesis. That means the test is significant. This implies new teaching method has improved students' exam score. Now, for independent sample t-test, open the dataset, Excel data, exam score and method, full method and new method. Here, different students tested under old and new method. So we have to conduct independent sample t-test in this case. Data analyze, compare mean, independent sample t-test, put score variable to test variable and method to grouping variable, different groups, group 1 old method and group 2 new method. Continue, then press OK. look at this. Here, p-value is also less than 0.05, which indicates strong evidence new method is better. So here for two data sets, I have shown here how to conduct this two-test in SPSS and the interpretation of p-value. So thank you.